Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we're going to learn how to go paperless on Chase. Open the website, then click Sign In. Now, sign in with your username and password. Once you're signed in, you will see several options at the middle part of the screen. Click on the option that says Paperless. And once you're on this page which says Paperless Settings. Underneath this, you will see a list of documents, and you could select whichever documents you would like to go paperless. And once you have selected the documents, at the bottom, you will see a consent option. Click on I consent. That's how you go paperless on Chase. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos related to financial apps almost every day. Also, check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles, and our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.